Beautiful. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. Today I will show you how I cook these red quinoa, white quinoa combination. It is so simple and so easy to do. After I cook them, I will show you how I serve these cooked quinoa. So let's get started and follow along. First, we need to rinse them. Use a proper strainer to make sure the quinoa does not come out. Mix. We are ready to cook. So begin with high heat. Add 4 cups of cold or warm water. So to have a perfect cooked quinoa, 1 cup, add 2 cups of cold or warm water. Remain on high heat. Bring to a boil. Once the pot boils, we will simmer on low heat for 20 minutes and the combination quinoa are cooked. That's how simple this recipe is. So I will be serving my cooked quinoa with my leftover boneless chicken legs that I cooked yesterday, and also simple spring mix vegetables. It is boiling hard now, so change the temperature to low and simmer for 20 minutes. This is optional, by the way. I am showing you how I serve my homemade cooked quinoa combination. Warming this up before serving. And our quinoa combination are now cooked. Turn the heat off and let it sit for additional 5 minutes before serving. And our quinoa combination is ready to serve. Look at that. Beautiful. Yummy. Some of you may not want to serve them plain. So what you can do is you can add vegetable stock or chicken stock mix into these quinoa. The reason I'm cooking them plain is to show you how to cook these red and white quinoa. For my future recipe, I have a video to refer to how to cook them first. Okay, so the best part is to serve what I cooked. Let me warm these one first, because these ones are left over from yesterday. It's warmed up now. I will be slicing these. Let's slice them into strips. Yummy. I am serving these quinoa combination to myself as plain, no seasoning whatsoever. Num num num. Yum yum food. Quinoa combination. They are like rice. You eat them with viands. Or you can serve them the way you want them. This chicken recipe I have from my previous upload, it tastes so good with this quinoa. Perfect. Red and white quinoa, or even you can use all red or all white. They are perfect for this combination. Salad, any meat combination you want. It's so good. Natural carbonated spring water. My favorite. Thirsty. Pinawisan ako sa sarap. Strawberries. You want me to serve you in front of the TV, honey? Hello?
I'll get it there.
Okay, come and get it then.
Is it all mine?
Yes,
How am I gonna finish this?
you will be able to. It's yummy. Yes, you can.